My name is Nazir Ahmed. Today I am here for you another tutorial. Our topic is how to create a products ladder with Elementor for Woocommerce for free. So let me show you the site. So here is our site. So you can see the site. So there is no slider. So I want to add in here a slider in this section. So let's go back to the plugins. So let's go to our dashboard, then go to the plugins, then click on add new plugin. So after that, here search for Elementor. So after searching Elementor, so you can see the Shoplentor WooCommerce builder for Elementor in Gutenberg. So click on install now. So after installing this plugin, so we need to activate this plugin. Kindly note that the Shoplentor plugin has themes. So after installing this plugin, so I have to activate this plugin. So after that, we just need to go to our website. So I just need to click on add it with Elementor. So here, so let's go back here. So I want to add a slider on this section, on the feature product section. So just go back here, let's scroll down. So I want to add here our slider. So I will search for universal. So here is WL universal product layout. So this is the feature of the Elementor plugin. It automatically comes into our Elementor. So just drag and drop it here. So you can see here the features of Elementor comes. So on the layout, click on slider. Then after that, so let me say my box. So let me make it default. So let me just give me a minute. So let me make it slider and then go to the query settings and then make this one, make it 50. So now after making it 50, so you can just update this and just go back to our site. So you can see here is our slider. Automatically it comes here. So I just want to remove this section on the below section. So you can see here is our product slider. So I'll just scroll down and remove and delete this section. So here it is. So let's see. Now you can see here is our slider. So we can play with the settings from here. So just click on here. So we can play with the content settings. So we can change the style 1 to style 2. So here is our style 2. So we can change it to style 3. So you can see here is our style 3 and here it is our style 4. So and we can add the title if you want to. I will keep it. You can add the price if you want to. You can add the category if you want to. So these are the settings of content setting. You can go to the action button setting. So we can choose a style 2, style 3, any one of them. So you can see here it is changing. So here is style 3. So here it is. I will keep it like this and I will update it. So just go to the image settings. So you can click on image slider if you want to. So we don't have too much images for the products. So I will again select the single image. So here is our countdown settings. So we can enable or disable this. So I will disable it. So here is our slider options. So slide 3 items, slide we can make it 5. So you can see here how it shows now. So I will keep it as it is. So let's go here again, refresh this page. So you can see how it is showing our products. So you can see it. So I will go back and I will play with the style tab. So we can give it padding or margin. We can give the border colors green, yellow, anything else we want to. So I will just clear this one. So I can give it a background color if I want to. So you can see. So I will clear this one as well. So let's scroll down. So we can change the color of the price. So if you want to. So I'm just showing you the settings how it is working. So you can change the price color. So the discount price color, or the you can see here we can change the typography as well. We can change the action button style as well. So let's make it red or something else. So just update this one and let's go back and let's scroll it again. So here it is. So we can, so here it is the quick action button color that I change into red. So here it is add to cart. So I will click on search. So then I will click on add to cart. So now just go to your cart and view your cart and you can check out from here. Thank you so much for watching this video.